What if one simple item in your kitchen cupboard could help relieve heartburn, ease pain, reduce infections, and even support kidney and heart health? It may sound too good to be true, but science is pointing towards something you probably already own: baking soda. Yes, that small box of white powder most people use for baking or cleaning might just be the hidden hero of senior health. So don't go anywhere, because in this video you're going to learn exactly how baking soda, when used correctly, can support your body in 13 powerful ways. Be sure to watch until the end, because benefit number 3 is so surprising, doctors are calling it a potential game changer for aging adults. Now, imagine this. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda mixed in a glass of water could help reduce acid in your stomach, calm a painful urinary tract infection, and even lessen inflammation in your joints. That's not guesswork. These claims are backed by multiple scientific studies that have shown just how powerful this simple kitchen item can be when it's used the right way. But make no mistake, using it the wrong way or too often could be harmful, especially for seniors with health conditions like high blood pressure or kidney disease. That's why it's important to understand not just what baking soda can do, but how to use it wisely and safely. Let's begin with one of the most common complaints among seniors: heartburn and acid reflux. If you've ever felt a burning sensation in your chest after eating or at night, you know how uncomfortable and disruptive it can be. As we age, the valve between our stomach and esophagus weakens, which lets acid creep up and cause that awful burning feeling. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural antacid. When you mix 1/2 teaspoon with a glass of water and drink it slowly, it neutralizes stomach acid and can bring relief in just minutes. But remember, this is for occasional use only. Using it too often or in high doses can affect sodium levels and harm kidney function. So always ask your doctor first if you have any health concerns. Next up is a health issue that many seniors deal with quietly: urinary tract infections, or UTIs. These can start with mild discomfort, but quickly become serious if ignored. Baking soda can help by raising the pH of your urine, making it harder for harmful bacteria to thrive. Studies have shown that drinking a small baking soda solution can reduce symptoms within days. But again, this should only be done with your doctor's approval and never in place of antibiotics if an infection is already severe. Another painful condition that affects many older adults is gout. It's caused by uric acid crystals that build up in the joints, especially the toes. These crystals form because the kidneys aren't removing uric acid fast enough. By making the body slightly more alkaline, baking soda can help dissolve these crystals and reduce the number of flare-ups. In one study, seniors using a baking soda drink experienced fewer and less intense gout attacks. A common method is to drink 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in water on an empty stomach. But, as always, this should only be done under medical supervision. Now let's talk about something that might seem minor, but can be extremely frustrating: itchy skin and rashes. With age, skin becomes drier and more sensitive. This leads to irritation, itching, and even allergic reactions. A baking soda bath can bring real relief. By adding half a cup to a tub of warm water and soaking for 15 to 20 minutes, you help restore the skin's natural balance and reduce inflammation. For smaller areas, a baking soda paste made with water can also soothe bug bites and rashes, but never use it on open wounds or raw skin. Oral health is another big issue for seniors. As we age, we deal with more plaque, receding gums, and bad breath. What many people don't know is that the bacteria in our mouths can contribute to serious problems like heart disease. Baking soda can help maintain a clean and healthy mouth. It's a gentle scrub that removes plaque without damaging enamel. You can dip a damp toothbrush into a little baking soda and brush for 2 minutes, twice a week. If you wear dentures, soaking them in a baking soda solution helps clean and deodorize them safely. Now, here's something surprising. Baking soda may also help manage high blood pressure, but only in very specific situations. Some seniors develop a condition called metabolic acidosis, where their blood becomes too acidic. This often happens with kidney issues. In these cases, small amounts of baking soda can help restore balance and may even improve blood pressure levels. However, since baking soda contains sodium, this is not for everyone. It should only be used this way under the guidance of a doctor. Let's move on to wound care. Seniors are more likely to have slow-healing cuts or scrapes. When used correctly, baking soda can help clean these wounds and create an environment that's less friendly to bacteria. It doesn't replace medical treatment, but it can support healing. You can dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon in cooled boiled water and gently use it to clean minor wounds. For ongoing issues like pressure sores, consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda regularly. Muscle soreness and cramps are also more common with age. Whether it's after gardening, walking, or just a restless night, baking soda can help by neutralizing the lactic acid that builds up in your muscles. After physical activity, drinking a small baking soda solution or taking a warm baking soda bath can relax your muscles and speed up recovery. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too much can upset your stomach or raise sodium levels. Now, here's a benefit many people don't know about fighting fungal infections. Conditions like athlete's foot and nail fungus become more common as we age, especially with weakened immune systems. Baking soda creates a hostile environment for fungus. Soaking your feet in warm water with a few tablespoons of baking soda for 15 to 20 minutes daily can help manage symptoms. You can also make a paste to apply directly to affected nails. While this isn't a cure, it can support other treatments and help prevent new infections. Digestive problems like bloating and gas are a regular part of aging for many. A glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda after a heavy meal can help relieve that uncomfortable full feeling. It works by neutralizing acid and creating a gentle burping effect that eases pressure. It's simple, fast, and backed by science. But again, don't use it daily. Your body still needs some acid to properly digest food, and overuse can throw off your balance. Now, here's one of the most powerful benefits. Baking soda may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. For seniors with early signs of kidney trouble, small doses of baking soda under a doctor's care can reduce acid in the blood and ease the kidney's workload. One major study showed that patients using baking soda had a 36% slower decline in kidney function. That's potentially years of added health and independence. But this is not a home remedy to try on your own. If you or someone you know is dealing with kidney issues, talk to a healthcare provider about whether baking soda could help. Another serious concern for seniors is excess acid in the body. Many people don't realize that an acidic diet or certain medications can create a condition called low-grade acidosis. Over time, this drains minerals from your bones, weakens your muscles, and speeds up aging. Baking soda can help restore the body's pH balance, which may support bone strength and overall energy. In one study, older adults who took baking soda saw improvements in both energy levels and bone markers. A small dose on an empty stomach, once a day, under doctor supervision, may support better aging from the inside out. And now we come to the most important benefit of all. Baking soda may lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. These are the leading causes of death for seniors. The secret lies in its ability to reduce inflammation, one of the hidden triggers for clogged arteries and damaged blood vessels. Major study found that baking soda activates special immune cells that calm the body's overactive inflammatory response. That means less stress on your heart, healthier blood flow, and a reduced risk of life-threatening events. Used properly and in moderation, this simple ingredient can be a powerful part of your heart health routine. But, as always, combine it with a healthy diet, regular movement, and your prescribed medications, and check with your doctor before adding anything new. So there you have it. 13 amazing science-backed ways baking soda can support your health as you age. From calming heartburn to helping your kidneys, from improving skin to easing joint pain, this one ingredient has surprising potential. But here's the key takeaway. Baking soda is not a cure-all. It's a tool. And like any tool, it must be used wisely. Always follow safe guidelines, start with small doses, and never skip talking to your doctor. Especially if you have heart problems, high blood pressure, or take medications regularly. Have you ever used baking soda for any of these health problems? Did it help? Which benefit surprised you the most? Or is there another natural remedy you'd like us to explore in the next video? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for spending this time with us. And remember, your health is in your hands. Even the smallest choices, like using a teaspoon of baking soda, the right way can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep taking care of yourself, one simple habit at a time.